Hello students, today we are going to revise the chapter Exponents and Powers. Very first of all, what is exponent and what is known as powers? Suppose we write a to the power b. So here this is known as exponent. This a will be known as base, and altogether a to the power b will be known as powers or indices. Then we go for the laws of exponents, and the laws are a to the power m into a to the power n equals to a to the power m plus n, a to the power m divided by a to the power n will be equals to a to the power m minus n. If it is a to the power m whole to the power n, then this will be equals to a to the power m into n. Then if it is a to the power m into b to the power m, then this will be equals to a b whole to the power m. Then the next one is a to the power m divided by b to the power m, then this will be equals to a upon b whole to the power m. We are also having a to the power 0 equals to 1. That is, if we have any number to the power 0, then this will be equals to 1. Then if any number is having a negative power, then this will make the reciprocal of this number, that is a to the power n in denominator. Then we will be having as if minus a is having a even number as a power, then your answer will be a positive. And if we are having minus a to the odd number as a power, then in that case you will be having a negative answer. We can also take for the minus 1. In case of minus 1, we have either a positive 1 as answer or a negative 1 as a answer. Class will discuss few more rules, that is, if we have a to the power m equals to a to the power n, this means the bases are same. In that case your powers will also be same, that will be equals to m equals to n. Then in the next one, if we have a to the power m equals to b to the power m, that here the powers are same, the bases are not equal, but they both are together equal, therefore this a will be equals to b. So we are having these all as the properties, or we say the laws of the exponential power or indices. Now let's start with exercise 2.1. Here we see question number 1, part first. Here in this one we have 3 to the power 5 whole to the power minus 3 to the power 5 minus whole to the power minus 2. This can be written as we see that we are having a negative power over here, so we can write this one as 5 upon 3 whole to the power 2, and now we are having power of 2, so we can write this one as 5 upon 3 into 5 by 3, that will be equals to 25 by 9 as the answer. Let's see one more part of this question, that is the second part. Here again we are having the similar situation, that is minus 3 is having a power of minus 3. So very first of all, make a reciprocal of this one and you will be getting 1 upon minus 3 to the power 3. Now we can write this one as 1 upon minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3, and that is equals to 1 upon minus 27 as your answer. After this, we'll go to question number 2. In question number 2, we are again having the similar situation, but we'll be solving it. Let's see the first part. It is 2 to the power minus 1 plus 4 to the power minus 1 plus 3 to the power minus 1 whole to the power minus 1. Now very first of all, we have to solve the powers which we are having inside the bracket. So this can be written as 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 3 whole to the power minus 1. Then we are going to take the LCM of these all, and 2, 4 and 3. The LCM of 2, 4 and 3 will be 12, and 2 6 are, so 6, 4 3s are, and 3 4s are whole to the power minus 1. Now this can be written as the sum, that is 13 upon 12 whole to the power minus 1, and on taking the reciprocal of this, you will be getting 12 upon 13 as your answer. Let's see one more part from this. Here we have taken the third part, and this one is 4 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power 2 minus 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power minus 2. Very first of all, we will solve this bracket, and as we all know that any number to the power 0 is 1, so it will be 1 over here. Then 4 to the power 2 is 16 minus 2 to the power 3 will be 8 minus, so into 3 to the power minus 2, that is we are going to take the reciprocal of this 3 to the power 2. Then here 1, 16, 17 and 17 minus 8, that is 9. 9 into this 1 upon 3 to the power 2, that is 1 upon 9 again. This can be cancelled out and you will be left with 1 as your answer. Now in the third question, we have to find the multiplicative inverse of the following numbers. The multiplicative inverse of the numbers means, first of all you have to solve it, and then you have to make the reciprocal of that number. Let's see the second part of this one. Here we go for the second part, and now this will be minus 3 upon 2 whole to the power minus 4 into 1 upon 2. We can solve this, we get 2, that is minus 3 upon 2 whole to the power minus 2, and that will be equals to, after taking the reciprocal because of this minus sign, 2 upon minus 3 whole to the power 2, and finally making the square of both of the numbers, 4 upon 9 as your answer. But we have to find the multiplicative inverse of it. So multiplicative inverse will be 9 upon 4. Let's see one more part of this one, that is the third part. Here we are having the question 5 to the power minus 5 upon 7 to the power minus 2 into 5 upon 7 to the power 4 divided by 5 upon 7 to the power 3. As we all know that if the bases are same, the powers are added. So we can add these two powers and subtract this one. So this will become 5 upon 7 whole to the power minus 2 plus 4 and minus 3. So here minus 2 and plus 4, that is plus 2, and this one minus 1. 5 upon 7 to the power minus 1 equals to 7 upon 5. This we have got as a normal answer. Now we have to find the multiplicative inverse of this. So multiplicative inverse will be the reciprocal of this, that is 5 by 7. Now we'll go for question number 4. In question number 4, we have to express (16 to the power minus 2 as the power with a base 2. Now here, this 16 to the power minus 2 can be written as 2 to the power 4 whole to the power minus 2. Now, as we know that the powers are multiplied in this situation, so we can do as 2 to the power 4 into minus 2, that is minus 8. And this is your answer for this question. Now, let's see question number 5. In question number 5, we have to expand the following using exponents. We are expanding this number using exponents. You all know that this is this thousands place, so this will be 2000 plus this is hundredth place, so 700 plus 80 plus 9, then plus this is 10th place, so this will be 4 upon 10 plus 5 upon 100 plus 3 upon 1000. Now to write in the exponential form, we can write this one as 2 into 10 to the power 3 plus 7 into 10 to the power 2 plus 8 into 10 plus 9 plus 4 into 10 to the power minus 1 plus 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 plus 3 into 10 to the power minus 3. This was what we have to do in the question number 5. Now question number 6. Simplify and write in the exponential form of the positive exponent. We have to represent the answer in a positive exponent. Let's see the first part of this one. In the first part, we are having 3 parts. 5 upon 7 to the power 2, then to the power minus 1 and whole to the power minus 3. And as we know, in this situation all the powers are being multiplied, so we can write this one as 5 upon 7 whole to the power 2 into minus 1 into minus 3. So this will become 5 upon 7 whole to the power 2 into this one minus 2 and minus 2 into 3 minus plus 6. So we are having 6 as your answer. So here we are having a positive exponent, so we can leave our answer over here only. Now let's see one more part, that is question number 6, second part. In second part again we are having a question. Let's see it. Here in this question we see that this is 2 by 7 and this one is 7 by 2. So very first of all, make a reciprocal of this, so we get 2 by 7 as similar to this one. So 2 upon 7 to the power 2 into 2 upon 7 whole to the power 3. We have removed this minus sign by making a reciprocal. Then divided by, open this bracket, this will become 7 upon 5 whole to the power minus 2 into minus 4, that is 8. Then solve this one, that is 2 upon 7 whole to the power 2 plus 5, and now divided by 7 upon 5 whole to the power 8. And this can be written as 2 plus 5, that is 7. So 2 to the power 7 upon 7 to the power 7. We can make a reciprocal of this with the help of this division sign, and you will be getting 5 upon 7, and this power will be distributed to both of it, that is 8 and 8. Here we see that the powers bases are same, so the powers will be added, and you will be getting 2 to the power. Here I will like to make one correction, that we have did 2 plus 3. So here it is 3 not 5, and we have got 2 to the power 5 and 7 to the power 5 as the result over here. Now in numerator this will be 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 8, and over here this will be 7 to the power 5 plus 8, that is 13 as answer. Let's see one more part of this one, that is the third part, and here this is 8 to the power minus 1 into 5 to the power 3, and this one is 2 to the power 4. Now 8 to the power minus 1 can be written as 2 to the power 3 whole to the power minus 1. Then 5 to the power 3 upon, this will be 2 to the power minus 4 only. Now we can write this one as 2 to the power minus 3 into 5 to the power 3 upon 2 to the power minus 4. Now make a reciprocal of this. This will go, and this will be written as 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power minus 3 into 5 to the power 3. We can see they are base same, so the powers will be solved as a plus sign. This will be 2 to the power 4 plus minus 3 into 5 to the power 3. And finally this can be written as 2 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 3 as answer. Now we'll move to question number 7. This question is to simplify the x into the exponential form. Here we are having question minus 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 3 whole to the power 2, then 5 to the power minus 3 divided by 5 to the power minus 5, and continue with the minus 1 upon 2 to the power 0. Now here we can start with this, that the powers on a power, so the powers will be multiplied, and this will become minus 2 to the power 6. Then plus, here the powers are, we are having the same base and they are divided, so this will be 5 to the power minus 3 minus minus 5 minus any number to the power 0 will be equals to 1. Then here we are having a negative number to the power an even number, so your answer will be positive. And then 2 to the power 6, that is 64. Then plus 5 to the power minus 3 minus minus 5, minus minus will be plus, so this will be written as 5 to the power minus 3 plus 5 and minus 1. Now this can be written as 64 plus 5 to the power 2 minus 1, and this will be 64 plus 25 minus 1, and on solving this all you will be getting 88 as answer. And now we have to write this one in exponential form, so we can do the prime factorization of 88, and on doing so you will be getting 2 3 times 2 and 1 11, and that can be written as 2 to the power 3 into 11 as your answer. Here we are having this question, and now let's solve it. Here we see that the bases are same in the all of three first terms, and here we are having multiplication and here division. So we can write this one as 3 to the power minus 5 plus 2 because of this multiplication, and here we are having minus, so we can write minus 6. Then plus 2 to the power 2, that is 4, and 4 into 3, that is 6, sorry 12 to the power 2, plus we can make a reciprocal of this number because of the minus sign, so this will be 3 upon 2, plus this will be 1 upon 2, plus the reciprocal of this, that is 19. Now we solve this. This will be 3 to the power minus 5 plus 2, that is minus 3, and minus 3 plus 6, that is 3. So 3 to the power 3 plus 12 to the power 2, that is 144. Then plus, on adding these two, that is 4 by 2 plus 19. Cancel it out. You will be getting 2 over here. Now 3 to the power 3, that is 27 plus 144 plus 2 and 19, that is 21. Now on adding all of it, you get 192, and making a prime factorization and solving it, you get 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 1 as your answer. The question number 8 is as similar as question number 6 to you, but here you have to just represent the exponential form in a negative one. So we're going to skip it and we'll go for question number 9. In question number 9, we have to simplify the given expression. Now let's see the first part of question number 9. Now here we are having this question. Now on solving it, we see that we are having the power of, we can write this one as in the power of 7. So this will be 7 to the power 2 into z to the power minus 3 whole upon 7 to the power minus 3 into 10 into z to the power minus 5. Now we can shift the powers of the 7 and z over here, and this can be written as 7 to the power 2 minus 3 into z to the power minus 3 minus 5 upon 10. So this will be equals to 5 to the power minus will be plus, so 2 plus 3, 7 to the power 5 into z to the power, here it is minus and minus plus, so 5 minus 3, that is 2 whole upon 10 as your answer. This was the first part. Let's see one more part, that is the second part. Now we can write this 9 to the power 3 as 3 to the power 2 whole to the power 3, and here 27 as 3 to the power 3 into t to the power 4 whole upon this one as 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 4 into t to the power 2. Now we see we are either having a base of 3 or the t. So we can write this one as 3 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 3, and here the bases are same, so the powers will be subtracted. This will become 4 minus 2 whole upon, and here again the bases are same, so the powers will be added, 3 to the power 2 plus 4. And now here we can add the powers, and this will be subtracting it. This will become 3 to the power 6 plus 3 minus the sum of these two, that is 6, into t to the power 4 minus 2, that is 2. And finally this will be equals to 3 to the power, you can cancel out 6 and 6 and you will be left with 3, that is 3 to the power 3 into t to the power 2, that is 3 to the power 3 is 27, so we can write 27 t square as your answer. Now let's see the last part of this question, that is third part. Here in this question we are having some powers in a negative. First of all we are going to make it a positive. Now here we have got all the powers in a positive form, that is minus is shifted over here. Again 15 to the power minus 5 written in the denominator, 5 to the 6 in the numerator, and 6 to the power minus 5 again in a numerator. Now we can split 6 and 15 into two parts, 6 as 2 into 3 and 15 as 3 into 5. Here we have split 6 into 2 into 3 whole to the power 5 and 15 as 3 into 5 whole to the power 5. Now we can just distribute the powers in both of the number, 2 to the power 5, 3 to the power 5, and similarly over here. Here we have distributed the powers in all of the numbers. Now we can see we can cancel few of the numbers, like 2 to the power 5 can be cancelled by 2 to the power 5, 3 to the power 5 can be cancelled by 3 to the power 5, and we are left with 5 to the power 6 and 5. So 5 to the power 6 minus 5 into 500, that is 5 into 500, because 6 minus 5 1 and 1 can be written like this only, and 5 into 500 will be equals to 2500 as your answer. Now let's see question number 10. We take question number 11. Find the value of m where 9 to the power m divided by 3 to the power minus 2 is equals to 9 to the power 4. Here we see that all the numbers can be written in the form of the power of 3. So here we write So here we write 9 as a 3 to the power 2m